slightly different way to explain of this Dzogchen. I thought it's just a wonderful explanation. Really, my thought, that's about really. He said that Dzogchen is of course abbreviated in Tibetan is known as Dzogpa Khenpo. Dzogpa Khenpo. So Dzog, Pa, and Khenpo. There is three kind of words. What means Dzog? Dzog is this great master. Of course, this is all the teachings say that. It means everything is completed. Everything is completed. What is everything? All the samsara is completed within this. All the nirvana is complete within this. And all the path, journey from the samsara to nirvana is completed. How that completed? It's not something that is completed in a big containers and put everything as like packet sauce. Or kind of like all the just like toy bags. T-O-Y, right? Toy bags. For our these children, like big children, toy bags, back of that, and put everything contained. No, not like that. What that is container is, it's Dhamma Dhatu, pervasive, Dhamma Dhatu, openness, beyond the limitation and boundaries, pervasive. That pervasive nature, everything is completed. How is it completed? All that completed, but those objects, what everything, samsara object, and nirvana object, the application path objects are all inseparably completed. The nature and each of the samsara, nirvana path that never separated from that is inseparable status. That's the how it is all complete. Everything in that state. So everything, items you see, we think, we perceive, or hear, is never separated from that great nature, pervasive nature, uncompounded natures. It's really pervasive. Pervasive that nature is. So that is what called completion. Complete or completed. So in a Tibetan word, Dzog. Then Pa means what? Pa means so who is perceiving that, or where that all is completed. That nature is not outside as a subject or object, sorry. It's not outside as an object. It's within this, our own Rigpa, your Rigpa. Our Rigpa is the perceiving that qualities and all that completed within our Rigpa. Pa, Dzogpa Khenpo, Pa is Rigpa. You say, everything is within the Rigpa, our own states. Even though it looks like so gigantic and so big in the vastness, but yet it is all complete within the Rigpa and beholden by Rigpa, and is emanated from the Rigpa. It's totally union state. That's what in the teaching said, in the Tibetan word, Yeshe Tsogyal, the union of the wisdom and spaces, or union of the wisdom, or primordial wisdom and Dhamma Dhatus. They totally union. Rigpa is the union of the wisdom, primordial wisdom, and the vastness and the openness natures. And what is that also? In the Dzogchen teaching, that is known as a three-kaya states. Often said, three-kaya. The embodiment of three-kaya. Rigpa, our own Rigpa. Rigpa is the Tibetan word and translated into English as awareness. The pure awareness is the embodiment of the three kayas. What are three kaya? Dharmakaya, Sambhokaya, and Nirmakaya. The emptiness aspect of the Rupa is Dharmakaya. The clarity, richness aspect of the Rupa is Sambhokaya. And pervasive energy, radiating energy aspect of the Rupa is Nirmakaya. Yet that all in the same state. They are not three different things. With these three kaya, that energy, that power is reflected externally according to Dzogchen teaching. Then we see form, sound, space. It's all external. It's all reflection. And what in the teaching said, original three kaya states is the Rupa status. Display Rupa, three kaya is external, these all qualities. Form, sound, and space. Reality is display of our own Rupa, according to Dzogchen teaching. According generally in the Buddha teaching, not just from the Mahayana teaching, clearly explained by the gracious, kindness, wise teacher of the Buddha, explaining that, thoroughly that. Really so thoroughly. And so on. And then this basic Dzogchen teaching has so many different names too. This primordial Dzogchen or this like Dzogpa Chenpo has many different synonyms in the different state of the Buddha's teachings. For example, in the Mahayana sutras, often this is named as Tathagata Garbhas. Tathagata Garbhas, which translated into English can be Buddha nature. Buddha nature, Tathagata Garbhas. And then in the Tantra levels, for example, in the Nyingma schools, Tantra level, in the Dzogchen level, in the mind-only section teachings, kind of more emphasizing this to referring this nature as Bodhicitta, the absolute Bodhicitta. Bodhicitta, just a Bodhicitta. That's what we call the king of creation, Bodhicitta. The famous Tantra, king of creation, Bodhicitta. And in the mind sections of the Dzogchen teaching, referred to Dhamma Dhatu, the space of the phenomena, net empty of the phenomena. And the Dzogchen teaching, many times they referred terminology used, sub-born wisdoms. And many also other teachings, the original mind, original, unobscured, uncontracted, original mind. Those are the terminologies used in the different levels of the teachings, but referring the same thing. And generally this teaching, generally this Buddha-Nature teaching is a very famous teaching. A great, maybe I talk a little bit kind of history of that, and we're studying also kind of like activating our understanding of this. So I talk a little bit